अच्छा आप बताइए, ऐसी कौन सी एक्टिविटी है जो बहुत क्रिटिकल है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड येट वन दैट वी डू नॉट लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एट ऑल? That's doing our laundry. Complicated है, tiresome है, and many times people get confused while doing their laundry. बड़ा tough होता है ना, which cycle should we choose? Right cycle है कि नहीं? Without damaging the fabric also. Should you separate the whites and colors? कितना long होना चाहिए washing cycle? Which cycle and which button should you press to get the perfect laundry done? तो I think LG ने सोचा हटाओ ये सारी confusion, हम machine को ही super smart बना देते हैं. Super smart with real AI that actually works. This is the new LG AI direct drive washing machine. अब देखो, नाम में ही AI है, मतलब artificial intelligence of the highest order inside the machine. ये जो washing machine है literally has a brain inside because it can do things no other washing machine can. शुरू करते हैं. I'll take you some of the big features that we've experienced out here. ये जो washing machine है, it can detect the weight of the clothes you put in for washing. अब आप बोलोगे वो तो कुछ और भी कर लेती है machines, लेकिन here's the add-on. ये LG machine also detects the kind of fabric that you put inside. So if you're putting in, let's say, some very delicate या soft clothes, or it's a load of very stiff clothes, ये machine को पता चल जाएगा with a single touch. This is the magic of the AI direct drive technology. ये जो AI DD है ना, ये true automation technology है in the field of laundry. And this weight and fabric type जो analysis कर रहा है, ये ultimately gives you complete control, complete knowledge and complete convenience while washing your clothes. No more guesswork, no more experimenting, as well as better fabric care and more convenience also in terms of usage. क्योंकि जब machine ही recognize कर रही है the type of fabric is going to wash, it will adjust the washing cycle accordingly. तो आपकी कोई गलती नहीं, कोई guesswork नहीं. It could be a more gentle scrubbing style for softs or a more tumbling and filtration style approach for your stiff clothes. And all of this will result in 18% better wash in the LG machine. अच्छा आप सोचिए, जो बाकी washing machines होती है उसमें अगर आप select नहीं करते the right wash program, that leads to extreme fabric damage. But जो LG AI DD washing machine है, it eliminates that guesswork completely and gives your clothes the right fabric care, which means intelligent care with more fabric protection. And it does this because there are 20,000, yes, 20,000 preloaded wash cycles that are already built in this washing machine. Smart, efficient, effective, full package deal. अब machine smart है, मैं भी smart हूँ, इसलिए I can predict what your next doubt will be. आप सोच रहे होंगे बड़ी अच्छी देखने में machine है, beautifully built, very powerful machine. Super loud होगी, right? Well, not at all. You see, midway through this video, हम लोग ने इस machine को already start कर दिया है. It's doing a load of laundry, and can you hear the noise over my voice? I don't think so because I can hardly hear it. मेरे साथ तो ये machine कुछ इंच दूर है. This LG washing machine comes equipped with the direct drive motor. ये जो है not only makes less noise but also reduces the vibration of the washing machine. Now there's no belt, there's no pulley in this motor. It generates 6 different motions और ये देता है ultimate cleaning experience while being almost completely noiseless. And that's not all. LG जो है went full steam ahead with the washing machine. और ये जो full steam ahead है ना, थोड़ा word play है and I'm going to reveal why. क्योंकि LG AI DD में है steam mode, which steam washes your clothes as well, and this removes up to 99.9% germs, allergens and bacteria from your clothes for a very super safe, super hygienic wash. ये तो आपको already पता है from ages कि every fabric needs special care, and the 6 unique जो motions हैं in this LG machine, they deliver a very seamless washing experience every single time. आजकल जिस तरीके का वक्त चल रहा है in this current time, जो hygiene of your family है, that is of prime importance. और LG steam जो है activates allergy care, जो help करता है to eliminate allergens from your laundry. There's a turbo wash 360 mode here as well. ये बड़ा interesting है. ये use करता है multi-directional nozzles. They reach out every part of the laundry for a very thorough wash, and it does all of this in just about 39 minutes. Now all of this sounds really fantastic, right? The AI DD thing really works miracles. लेकिन ये ना smart washing machine है, so what gives it a 1+ over everything else? मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्योंकि हम लोग ने बड़ी अच्छी तरह इसको टेस्ट किया. आप भी immediately अभी कर सकते हैं. अपना फोन निकालिए and search for the LG ThinQ app और डाउनलोड करिए. Using this app, you can actually control your entire washing machine completely, मतलब complete control just from your phone. If you're stuck in a busy meeting, you're out of the house, and you want to do your laundry or you want to do it a little later, just use the app. All you need एक active internet connection चाहिए, and that's all. You can operate this from anywhere, anytime. Check up on your clothes, see what the washing cycle is, change the washing cycle, even download new ones. इसका मतलब है you're actually getting optimized new wash cycles, and you can monitor the energy consumption of the washing machine also with that app. और अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, कोई एरर आ जाता है मशीन में, even that can be looked up using the LG ThinQ mobile application. है ना future of washing machines? I absolutely think so. तो overall, LG ने emphasize किया है a lot on better hygiene for the washing and more laundry loads with a bigger capacity. ये जो है help करता है in experiencing hassle-free washing. अब आप देख रहे हैं, this is of course a front-loading machine. There's a black stainless steel finish version also, and जो glass है in the front is tempered glass for better durability. अब वो वक्त आ गया that I always wait for where I predict your final question, और वो है who is this washing machine for? है तो बहुत अच्छी, but who is it for? Short answer, everyone. Long answer, अगर आप constantly worried है about damaging your clothes or you just don't know which button to press for soft or stiff clothes, क्या wash cycle, it's too complicated, you don't know which kind of cycle is the best for your clothes at that time, फिर LG AI Direct Drive washing machine is perfect for you because now you no longer have to worry about your laundry. और मैं तो हमेशा ये कहता हूँ, एक gadget जो reduce करता है आपकी worries is a gadget that's worth its weight in gold. ये जो washing machine has once again proven me completely right. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep coming back for more amazing tech and gadgets like this from me every single time.